Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Avalara to WooCommerce for dropshipping tax rules, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WooCommerce admin dashboard. In the left sidebar, navigate to the plugins section. Click on Add New to access the plugin repository. In the search bar, type Avalara to find the Avalara for WooCommerce plugin. Once you see the plugin, click the Install Now button. After installation, click on Activate to enable the plugin. Next, go to the Avalara settings by locating WooCommerce in the sidebar and selecting Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Integration tab. Here, you will see the option to connect your Avalara account. If you don't have an Avalara account, you will need to create one. Follow the prompts on their website to register for an account. Once you have your account, return to the Integration tab in WooCommerce. You will need to enter your Avalara account credentials. Input your account number, license key, and company code. Be sure to choose the appropriate tax calculation mode. Select real-time if you want taxes to be calculated on the fly during checkout. After entering the necessary information, save the settings. Next, configure your tax settings in Avalara. Log into your Avalara account and navigate to the Settings tab. Set up your tax rules based on the products you will be dropshipping. Make sure to specify tax codes that match the items you sell. Return to your WooCommerce settings after configuring tax rules. In the Avalara settings, enable the tax options that fit your business model. Adjust settings for exemptions or special tax categories if applicable. Test the integration by placing a test order in your WooCommerce store. Check if the taxes are calculated correctly based on your configured rules. If everything looks good, you are now successfully connected. Regularly update both the WooCommerce and Avalara plugins to ensure smooth operation. Monitor your tax settings periodically to adapt to any changes in your business or tax regulations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.